Start config studio settings but sources window list visibility lock check audio mute test volume slider for desktop out properties for mix mute mix slash o checkbox checked not checked.
Hai teman-teman, selamat datang ke video kita yang seterusnya. Oke, hari ini saya nak review sebuah game yang di-host oleh Audio Wonder. Saya minta maaf karena kat sini tu sembayang orang azan. Oke. Game ni di-host oleh Audio Wonder, iaitu tajuk game ni adalah Life in Nature. Dalam bahasa singkat dia LN. Saya tak tahulah kenapa orang buat nama dia LN. Mungkin mereka tahu mau buat dia LIN ataupun L apa entah kan. Okay. Game ni dia macam Survive the Wild yang kalian pernah mainkan di audio game seterusnya. Audio game seterusnya pula. Audio game sebelum ni yang kalian pernah lihat tutorial dari teman-teman yang lain kan. Survive the Wild, macam tu lah. Game kayak Survive the Wild, cuma ini adalah source code yang source code lama. Ya, source code lama. Dia punya developer tu adalah main developer dia adalah Felix ataupun Inch. Saya tak pasti nama itu dia, Felix ataupun Inch. Nama dia di game saya rasa Smith tu dia mungkin. Smith. Lepas tu dia ada moderator dan ada master. Saya tak pasti, yang saya tak berapa kenal mereka. Yang penting hampir keseluruhan dia punya itu moderator, admin semua orang Turki lah. Jadi game ni dia masih dalam BGT, masih dalam apa orang cakap tu, masih dalam pembuatan. Jadi kalau kalian mau download gamenya, kamu semua boleh download di audiowonder.com. Ini game khas untuk Windows saja. Tulisan dia adalah audiowonder.com. Di situ ada kalian boleh download lah gamenya. Okay. Tujuan saya buat review game ni just untuk apa orang cakap, orang cakap tu hanya untuk sekadar membuat video kata orang kan. Okay lah. Audio game ni dia sistem dia ya survival. Kamu orang makan, minum. Tapi dia punya itu tu syarat dia, shelter tu tak bisa di destroyed sama player. So, saya tak bisa diserang sama player. Ya, jadi kalau kamu orang main game ini, kamu orang tanya-tanya lah. Kamu orang tanya, kenapa dekat map semua map ada shelter? Mereka semua
12:40 PM.
Player tak apa nama tu, tak boleh destroy shelter. Dia ada 4 jenis shelter, iaitu wooden shelter. Kamu orang boleh buat sama cara pembuatan dia. Terus fancy block shelter, sama juga pembuatan dia. Dan bungalow shelter yang ketiga. Dan yang paling besar adalah villa luxury pool villa. Tersilap saya, luxury pool villa. Ya, okay. Yang semua shelter tu kamu orang boleh beli pakai kredit lah. Pakai kredit.
Constant battle version desktop list.
Kita masuk game dia tanpa basa-basi. Salah.
Table X this PC file explorer. Items local. Items view list LN Item. Sound. Word. Script keys. ln.exe.
Dekat laptop saya game ni
Life and Nature.
agak lambat sikit start, mungkin ikut laptop
Life and Nature
juga.
version 2.12.
Life and Nature. Developed by Audio Wonder.
Nah, itu adalah logo game ini. Kalau kamu tak mau dengar bunyi logo dia, kamu boleh tutup di setting. Jadi cara login game ni dia sama sistem dia macam STW, cuma tampilan dia kalau kamu first time main dia akan
Login with Alicia.
minta kamu agree rules yang ada di game ni lah. Okay, login dia cara pula sama tampilan. Jadi untuk mengakses menu dalam game ni, kalau di STW tab saya rasa kan. Kalau di game ni alternate, coba alternate, kita back ni escape
Life and
dulu.
Nature. Menu Alt plus L. Music volume sliding 0%.
Alternate.
Life and Nature. Submenu. Main menu. Please select an option.
Nah, tu cuma up down arrow.
Login with Alicia. Login options. Settings menu.
Saya rasa tempoh account yang dia bagi untuk game ni, kalau kamu tak main dia sebulan, saya rasa tersilap saya sih, tak berapa ingat lah.
Login options. Submenu.
Tu
Settings menu.
dia ada setting.
Options dialog. Navigate stop sounds checkbox check Alt plus S.
Setting dia kalau kamu mau itu, kamu tap.
Play logo on startup checkbox check Alt plus T.
Nah, kamu boleh uncheck logo.
Play music and menu checkbox not check Alt plus
Kamu
T.
boleh uncheck music.
Online and offline notifications checkbox check Alt plus O.
Online notification.
Flare notifications checkbox check Alt plus F.
Flare notification.
Only receive online messages from players who you trust checkbox check Alt plus O.
Nah, yang ni bagus sangat. Kalau kamu tak mau dengar bunyi orang online kan, kamu just check yang trust.
Preload sound play dream sounds while sleeping checkbox not check Alt plus T.
Ni saya tak nak dengar bunyi dream sebab agak, kata orang Indonesia tu, agak sebel.
Turning with mouse checkbox not check Alt plus T.
Tu.
Buffer logging checkbox check Alt plus T.
Nah, buffer logging ni, ya kamu faham lah kan.
Play beep sound while navigating between the buffers checkbox check. Hear the game sound in another window checkbox check Alt plus H.
Nah, ini terserah kalau kamu mau buat, contohnya kamu dekat game lain, dekat constant battle, kamu boleh dengar lah bunyi sound Windows game ni dekat notification game ni dekat PC ataupun game lain.
Speak in another window checkbox check Alt plus S.
Tu.
Hear other keyboard sounds checkbox check Alt plus H.
Ni kalau kamu mau dengar bunyi orang menulis, kamu boleh dengar orang typing pakai keyboard, bunyi keyboard sound mereka. Tim dekat keyboard ni cuma ada satu je.
Show server message at startup checkbox check Alt plus S.
Ya, ini pun cek kan.
Play the beeps of the signs checkbox check Alt plus T.
Cek kan.
Speech interrupt checkbox check Alt plus S.
Yang ni jangan ganggu.
Select sound output device button Alt plus S.
Yang ni kalau kamu ada pakai VSC, kalau kamu mau streaming ke game lain, kamu boleh pakai. Ataupun kalau kamu mau streaming ke TeamTalk, kamu boleh pakai lah. Okay.
Save settings button.
Nah, tu save setting.
Settings saved. Login with login options. Sub login with Alicia.
Okay, sekarang ni kita masuk ke game. Kita down arrow lagi.
Login up settings men test your speaker slash headphones.
Tu, kita boleh test speaker.
Restart the client.
Kita boleh restart.
Join our Telegram group.
Kamu orang boleh join Telegram group.
Go to credit shop to purchase credits.
Kamu orang boleh ke credit shop.
Copyright Audio Wander. All rights reserved. Exit. Login with Alicia.
Okay, kamu
Login in with Alicia.
in.
Let's go to the Life and Nature message of the day. Hello dear players on March 15 ST at 2200 hours. German time set slash test depend.
Okay. Sekarang ni kalau kamu dengar bunyi api tu, saya ada di villa teman saya di small house. Cara
Players met Zamba. Cancel.
navigasi di game ni, dia F6 untuk player menu.
Players menu. Please select the player with the up and down arrow keys and press enter to view available options.
Terus kamu cari nama
JL
orang
Kajayasabasu.
yang kamu mau chat.
Bubble T Brilliant Baba. Bradbird Bubble T. Brilliant Baba. Bradbird.
Contohnya ini.
Options copy name to clipboard.
Kamu copy.
Check player's current location.
Kamu boleh cek dia punya location.
Bradford is in the Johan 9,447,077.
Saya rasa yang itu dia punya shelter tu mungkin. Shelter kawan.
Check player's gender.
Cek, kamu boleh cek gender.
Bradford is a male. Trust this player.
Kamu boleh trust.
Untrust this player.
Kamu boleh
Mute this
untrust.
player.
Kamu boleh mute.
Unmute this player. Watch this player.
Kamu boleh lihat ataupun dekat
Private mess. Create a group chat with this player. Private mess.
Sebentar ya.
Really players cancelled. Cancelled. Really exit cancelled. Enter left H A I
Saya-
comma you are being watched by Bradford. I space M A K E Brad space E K A M
Sebentar
R
ya.
E V I E double space E H I U H T T H I S space G A M E space A dot. Alicia says I review this game and blue group chat.
Okay. Yang itu kamu dengan waiting itu adalah group chat. Contohnya kalau kamu mau
Players met
tengok
bubble
orang
T.
tu,
Brilliant Papa. Bradford says lol I was killing Borsian blue group chat. Cancelled. End left hand. G O O D
cara-
comma space A dot. Alicia says food and blue group chat. Endless O R Y space E U Y O P O. Bradford says that 4 you have 27 and blue cotton. Alicia says sorry. Alicia says cotton. Candy says yeah I am digging in the trash cans and collecting stuff in blue group chat.
Nah, tu teman-teman.
Alicia says sorry typo in blue group. Players menu please select the
Okay. Kita boleh lihat
bubble
dia.
brilliant Papa. Bradford.
Kamu tekan Ctrl L.
Unknown Johan's wooden shelter. Cancelled.
Tu.
There are no animals worth noting around you.
Kamu tekan hash.
1203 health.
Tu. Sebab dia premium
Leave the
account.
shelter. Press shift enter. Harbor.
Kamu tekan
1801 energy. Zoologic harbor. Johan's wooden shelter.
tu. Tekan ini.
1799 energy.
Sebab dia premium account, dia akan jadi begini.
Enter group A. Alicia says and blue group chat.
Nah, terus kamu tekan nombor 3.
Bradford has nothing on left hand and nothing on right hand. Current hand is right.
Tu.
One first.
Nah,
300. Bradford says lol have to get health by in blue group 300.
kita
Enter group chat for group blue.
copy.
Pasted. Alicia says 314 under in blue group chat.
Kita tekan Ctrl L untuk stop watching.
Luxury blue available.
Cara kontrol di game ni adalah growth untuk check quest ataupun check apa-apa yang ada dalam game ni, recent changes apa semua. Kalau di STW tab, kalau di sini growth.
Select an option.
Select a motion.
Language. Switch to another language or work on / start a game translation.
Nah, tu language,
Quests. Accept and manage quests.
quest.
View help.
Ada help di sini.
Character and account. Delete, rename, or change the password of your character as well as interact with your account.
Ada character and account.
Player menu. View all players connected to the server.
Ada player menu.
View recent changes. Display all recent changes made on the server.
Ada recent changes.
View game staff and roles.
Ada game stuff.
Ticket menu.
Ada tiket.
Spend points. Spend any LN points you have in your inventory.
Nah, ini kalau kamu dapat LN point, kamu boleh beli barang macam STW lah. Tapi ya berpada-pada lah beli ya. Jangan beli terlalu boros macam saya.
Spend credits. Spend any LN credits you have in your inventory.
Nah,
Mute. Manage who you have muted and see who has muted you.
nah,
Trust. Manage who you trust and see who has trusted you.
tu.
Purchase LN credit to purchase items with LN credit.
Nah,
Toggle your PK on.
ini kalau kamu mau lawan dengan orang, kamu boleh on PK lah. Kalau kamu tak mau, tak payah.
Allow yourself to be added to a group chat.
Ini grup chat.
12:50 p.m.
Kalau kamu mau suruh orang itu add kamu di grup chat.
24 first. The kitchen is
Cara navigasi di game ni dia macam STW.
You have just opened your bag. Please select what you want. Play. You have 200.
Yang STW biasanya dia adalah pegang item dalam bag ni. Kalau untuk free count dia 100. Kalau di game ni dia 200. Tapi kalian kena hati-hati lah sebab
Zero first. 1500.
hunger dan
You have just opened eatable fish. You have 4.
lapar di game ni mudah
Eat.
naik
Right hand.
sekali.
Bradford says, oh, chat, Zami, Bus flew away, chat, face and blue. Group chat.
Ya, hunger di ini
Players meant Snick,
Nice.
Suri, Sun, Smith, Sedna, Sparkle, Saku, Snick, Suri, Sunrisers, cancelled.
tu dia punya developer
Players meant Snick,
online.
Suri, Sun, Smith,
Ini developer dia online.
cancelled.
Okay.
Cotton Candy says she was next to me in blue. Group chat.
Okay, sekarang ni kita keluar dari villa ni.
Near the counter. The kitchen door.
Kita keluar. Kita
hallway lead.
arah kompas ke
You have just opened. Clay, you have compass. Compass.
ke utara.
South at 180 degrees.
Bukan, ke selatan. Kita keluar. Kalau kamu yang villa ni yang boleh masuk hanya player yang kamu trust saja. Nah, ini yang ditrust oleh owner villa ni lah. Nah, itulah dia yang bestnya game ni. Kamu boleh masuk dalam villa ni orang yang kamu trust. Maksudnya contohnya si Pulan beli villa kan, lepas tu dia trust kamu, siapa-siapa lah, terus kamu jumpa dia punya villa, kamu boleh masuk. Tapi kalau orang yang dia tidak trust, dia tak boleh masuk villa orang sesuka hati. Kalau bungalow, fancy shelter, bungalow shelter, wooden shelter boleh. Boleh. Jadi kita keluar dari sini.
Main.
Saya up arrow push up untuk naik tangga tu. Up arrow untuk ke depan. Keluar. Cek pakai kamera.
Luxury pool.
Tu. Yang kamu dengar cici tu kan. Tu adalah kosong.
Hallway. Stairs leading to
Kamu
the pool villa.
Kamu orang kena hati-hati. Kamu kena turun, push down. Langkah satu ke depan.
Auto walking disabled.
Langkah satu ke depan. Tu push down. Langkah Langkah satu ke depan, push down. Ini kamu dah itu dari
Auto walking enabled.
villa ni, dah turun dari tangga.
Back to the house. Unknown area.
Ini adalah tempat small house. Hari ini saya nak tunjuk cara navigasi di game ni. Cara dia adalah kita ke small house dulu.
16 first. You are wearing gold. You enter the small house.
Okay, cara navigasi di game ni adalah kalau kamu orang pernah main STW, dia sama aja sebenarnya, cuma perbezaan dia di tab dia kosong, tak ada apa-apa. Dan kalau kamu mau akses ke option ataupun nak akses ke recent changes, nak akses ke apa semua, kamu kena
Select an option.
kamu kena itulah barang kategori inventory dalam game ni belum terlalu banyak saya rasa. Belum macam STW.
You have just beaten up cowboy boots. You have 1. Large mint. You have 9.
Di small house ni tak ada apa-apa, cuma ada clock macam game STW.
An old clock. A small house.
Ada sofa.
On a comfortable.
Dan water.
A small
Kamu ke kanan, kamu akan jumpa
bedside table.
bedside table.
On a small bed.
Lagi,
790 energy.
saya punya energy dah. Saya suggestkan lebih baik kamu orang berjalan lebih bagus daripada kamu pakai bike dalam game ni, sebab
Press shift enter to go out. A small.
apa nama ni, kalau kamu pakai bike dia agak menguras tenaga, kalau kamu berjalan dia tidak
You are not tracking it. You have just ultra hammock. You have 1. Hammock.
tidur dulu. Sebab jalan game ni sudah hafal, cuma berapa map lah. Kalau map lain saya tak tahu. Tu Dan di mainland tuh hati-hati kalau kamu berjalan di wheat tile sebab ada python snake. Ada ya beruang di game nih, dia serang kamu tuh dia tak sakit, cuma kalau kamu tak pakai shield dia agak menguras kamu punya kesehatan. Dulu masa saya main game nih, dia punya beruang tuh sakit betul sakit ya. Dia reduce dia punya serang.
1000 energy.
Kita tengok energy itu tadi. Sugesti saya kalau kamu orang ada jumpa bug apa dalam game ni, kamu kena buat tiket lah. Sugesti saya.
The last of the night drifts away and day takes its place.
Ataupun kamu orang mau bagi cadangan, kamu orang mau bagi apa, buat tiket. Apa nama?
Left hand. 30 to the first. You have
Dia punya atas tu cepat naik.
0 first. 20 under. You have just eatable empty wallet. Eatable bear meat. You have 12. Eatable. Right. Left hand. 0. Press.
Kita keluar
And
dari
now leave the
sini.
small gravel.
Kita jalan ke depan.
996 energy. And a smudge near the river. Current location. Step into the river.
Kita jalan ke kiri. Saya tunjuk kamu, saya pergi saya kecilkan bising. Saya tunjuk kamu pergi dari small house ni ke middle valley. Kita jalan ke kiri. Okay, kita ke belakang
Press shift enter
sedikit.
to go to Juniper Forest.
Satu langkah kita
You enter
enter.
to Juniper. Press shift enter.
Cara untuk track map dalam game ni tekan K.
Find what? Press shift enter to go to vineyard. 0 tiles. Press shift enter to go to arid grassland. 174 tiles. Behind and a little ways off to the left. 174 tiles away.
Tu.
A clear. Cool.
Kita
In front a little ways off to the right. 160.
arahkan kompas kita ke selatan.
Player not. You have just opened your back way. You compass. You have 11. Compass. In front a little ways off to the right. One press shift and a clear. Cool. In front a little ways off to the right. 168 tiles away. North at 0 degrees.
Ke utara.
Left hand. In front a little ways off to the right. 153 tiles away. In front and slightly off to the right. 147 tiles away.
Selatan.
In front and very slightly to the clear. Cool. A clear. Straight in front. 130 tiles away.
Ini adalah
Current location. A clear. Cool. Road.
kita pakai jalan
Straight in front. 59 tiles away.
apa nama grassland yang dari bit tu.
Straight in front. 23 tiles away. Straight in front. 5 press shift enter to go there. You enter a swift flowing stream.
Nah, terus kita ikut ke kita ini kita track
Find what? Press shift enter to go to Juniper Forest. Shift enter to switch to hot desert. 185 tiles. Press shift enter to go to Juniper Forest. 8 tiles. Shift enter to switch to hot desert. 185 tiles. Straight off to the right. 185 tiles away.
tu. Kita jalan ke kanan.
Slightly behind and far off to the straight off to the right. Slightly in front of the fair. Straight off to the right. 149 tiles away. 1 p.m. Straight off to the right. 124 tiles away.
Dekat sini ada rabbit ya.
Current location.
Yang musikalnya tak ada peringkat perubahan.
Straight off to the right. 69 tiles away.
Kita ke kanan.
Slightly behind and far off to the right. Slightly in front and a fair distance off to the right. 20 slightly in front and a fair distance off. Slightly in front and straight in front. Shift enter to switch to hot desert.
Kita
You went to the desert. Shift.
terus kita
Find
track.
shift enter to move to arid grassland. To go to South Camp. Press shift enter 9 tiles. To go to Belgrade Forest. Press shift enter to enter to Dominican Forest. Stop tracking. To enter to go to South Camp. Press shift enter 9. Shift enter to move to arid grassland. To go to south to go to Belgrade Forest. Press shift enter 4 to enter to Dominican Forest. Press shift enter 500 tiles.
Oh, kita
To go to
sesat.
Belgrade Forest. Press shift enter 409 to go to South Camp. Press shift enter 9 tiles. Shift enter to move to arid grass. Cancel.
Kita sesat.
You have passed into the arid grass. Current location. Arid grassland.
Hahaha. Kita sesat lah.
Find shift enter to switch to hot desert. Press shift enter to go to Juniper Forest. 100 slightly. Current location. Slightly behind and Slightly in front of the fair distance. Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 171 tiles. Slightly in front of the fair distance. Slightly in front of the fair distance. Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 172 tiles.
Kita dari sana. Tadi sananya dari Jennifer Forest tuh. Aduh. Sesat pula kita nih.
Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 109 tiles away.
Saya yang buat tutorial, saya yang sesat.
Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 77 tiles away. Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 30 nearest green. Slightly in front of a swift flowing. Slightly in front of the fair in front of nearest green. A swift in front of very. You enter a juniper forest.
Yang
Find
ini
press shift enter to go there in grassland. Press shift enter to go to vineyard. 107 stop tracking. Press shift enter to go there in grass. Press shift enter to go to vineyard. Stop tracking. Press shift enter to go to vineyard. 178 tiles. In front of little way. Press shift enter. In front of little ways off to the in front of little ways off to the right. 170 tiles away. In front of little ways off to the right. 163 tiles away. In front and slightly off to the right. 154 tiles away.
kita jalan ke kanan. Yap, saya sesat.
7 straight in front. 140. 787 energy.
Dengan titik itu tandanya kita track yang benar. Press N untuk tahu
Straight in front.
apa
80
yang
tiles
kamu
away.
track. Samalah dengan item. Ya,
Press shift enter to go to vineyard. A no enter a beautiful vineyard. Press shift enter to go to juniper forest. River. Press shift enter to.
ini kan kita keluar.
Press shift enter to go to juniper forest. You enter to juniper forest.
Ya, Pak.
Find press shift enter to go to vineyard. Press shift enter to go there in grassland. Stop tracking. Press shift enter to go to vineyard. Hands. Press shift enter.
Terus kita kena jalan ke
A clear. Cool. You are not tracking any current location. A small juniper. Current
depan.
location. A small juniper forest.
Jalan ke depan, sini sikit. Jalan saja.
Current location. A small juniper forest. Current location. A small juniper forest. Current location. A small juniper.
Sesat
Find
saya
what? Press
nih,
shift
Bang.
enter to go to vineyard. 60. Press shift enter to go there in grassland. 200. Stop tracking. Press shift behind and slightly to the left. 211 tiles away. In front a little ways off to the right. 210 tiles away. In front a little ways off to the right. 195 tiles away. In front a little way clear. Cool route. In front a little ways off to the right. 100 a small juniper forest. In front a little ways off to the right. 148 tiles away.
Saya sesat nih.
In front a little ways off to the right. 125 tiles away. Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 100 slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 98 tiles slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 86 tiles away. In front a little ways off to the right. 75 tiles away. In front a little ways off to the right. 677 energy. In front of very straight in front. 62 current location. A clear cool route. Straight in front. 44 tiles away. Straight in front. 28 tiles away. Straight in front. 8 tiles away. Press shift enter to go there. New enter to there at grassland.
Di sini track
Find
apa?
what? Press shift enter to go to juniper forest. Shift enter to switch to hot desert. 1 banana tree. 2 unstop tracking. Banana shift. Press shift enter. Shift enter to switch to hot desert. 185 tiles. Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. Press shift enter. Current nearest green. Slightly in front of the arid grassland. Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 100. Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 100. Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 135 tiles away. Slightly in current location. Arid grassland. Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 101. Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 86 tiles away.
Saya sendiri yang buat video
Slightly in
sendiri
front of the fair
sesat.
distance off to the right. 56 tiles away.
Waduh. Bagaimana?
Slightly in front of the fair distance off to the right. 24 tiles away. Slightly in front of the fair. Slightly in straight in front. Shift. You went to the desert. Current location. Hot desert. Find what? Shift enter to move there to go to South Camp. Press to go to Belgrade Forest. Press shift to enter to Dominican Forest to go to Belgrade Forest. Press shift enter. 483 in front and very slightly off to the left. 400.
Nah. Kita tidur
You have just
dulu.
opened your bag. Please tell Struck Hammock you have won. Hammock. $670 energy. 38 thirst. LN file constant battle for OBS 32 OBS 30 volume slider for mute mix slash O checkbox not checked.
Sebentar ya guys.
Checked. Not checked.
Oke, jap. Kita kita tunggu dulu. Masih tidur kita.
Life and Nature version 2.1. Life and Nature version 2.12. 1000 days energy. 1000 energy. 43 thirst. $1,000 energy. 1000 energy.
Kalau kamu orang tak mau baca semua buffer di game ni, kamu orang tekan all space untuk clear.
All buffer have been cleared.
Nah, macam tu. Okay.
Left hand.
Kita kecilkan. Bising. Titit.
What do you stop tracking? Stop tracking.
Okay. Dah.
You need
Tu bunyi dia punya ambient. Kita pakai baik je lah.
You are not track. You have just opened travel items 4. Both you 5. You 5.
Baik dia ni spacebar. Spacebar.
Find shift enter to go to South Camp. Press to go to Belgrade Forest. Straight in front. 200.
Saya kecilkan supaya saya tak tahu jarak bike ni dengan forest ni tinggal berapa langkah. Sayang saya bike ni takut patah. Takut itu kita cedera kan. Beli bike ni di
Straight in front. 88.
pakai LN Voice.
Straight in front. 40.
Tengah sikit lagi.
Straight in front. 18 tiles away.
Nah, kita escape, turun dari bike.
Left hand. Belgrade Fort near the desert.
Tenang aja, waktu kamu orang pergi sini tak ada lion, tak ada apa. Sini ada shelter tu.
What the rabbits fancy block shelter with stop tracking. Cancel.
Ada shelter di sini.
852 energy.
Banyak shelter di mana-mana map. Waduh, shelternya terlalu banyak.
Near the shallow stream. Near the shallow stream. Belgrade Forest.
Jalan kaki lebih hemat tenaga.
812 energy.
Tuh kan? Dari kamu pakai boat, kalau pakai perahu tuh dia mungkin tenaga dia dikuras. Ini jalan ke depan, lurus saja ke depan. Nanti kalian akan jumpa ini.
To go to South Hill, press shift enter.
Nah, to go to South Hill.
110. South Hill.
Ini di mainland tuh dia punya music. Dia sudah belum lama. Kalau di mainland dia nggak pakai musik kayak gini. Kita besarin aja musiknya. Tuh musik di mainland lama, di SW lah. Kita jalan ke depan.
734 energy.
Tuh kan?
You are wearing golden necklace on your neck. Ripped up tank. You are wearing gold. Someone launched a flare. It seems that you have just opened your entire inventory. Spear, you have 3. Shield, you have 40.
Ada orang nyalakan flare pula di sana. Sini ada player.
726 energy. Left hand.
Tuh, ada
What we
shelter.
stop tracking. Cancel.
Ada banyak sekali tuh. Kalau kamu mau tahu item di sekeliling kamu tuh tekan M. Tekan mic. Kalau kamu mau tahu map di apa yang kamu track tuh tekan K, terus tekan N untuk dia punya map apa yang kamu track.
Current location. South Hill.
Dan tekan B untuk tahu
Press shift enter to go to Middle Valley.
apa namanya.
South.
Tekan B untuk tahu kamu punya lokasi saat ini.
You have just ultra ammo. You have. Am.
Saya tak punya banyak hemat pula guys. Saya boleh nak bagi dengan player, cuma di game tu item dia tak banyak. Item dia tak terlalu banyak makanya susah mau dicari itu hemat. Aduh, hai. Temanku juga tanya, kamu udah hemat gak? Aku gak punya, karena itemnya gak banyak di soft game itu. Kalau banyak, temanku udah beri itu hemat sama teman yang memerlukan. Ini pun dikasih orang. Ups, telepon saya terlepas.
1000 energy. Left hand.
Oke, kita keluar dari sini.
Enter the middle.
Tuh, musiknya berubah kan. Ini di mountain.
Press shift enter to enter the mountain.
Ada quest juga di mountain, cuma
The base mountain.
saya tak pandai nak buat. Tak pandai. Ini di map utama.
Left hand.
Selalunya ada beruang di sini. Nggak tahu, beruang tuh jarang spawn.
There are no animals worth no near the shallow stream. Shallows. 77. There are no animals worth. There are no animals worth. What to stop tracking. You cancel. There Middle Valley. There are no animals worth. You have just opened. Odd.
Minum dulu.
18. There are no. Zero thirst. 4800. You have just eatable fish. You have 4. Eatable fish. 100. Eatable fish. Right hand.
Tuh ada
One string and
shelter.
stop tracking. Cancelled. 100. There are
Selalunya ada.
there are no animals. There are no animals worth noting around you.
Ada rombang sting di sini.
There are no animals worth noting around you.
Selalunya ada beruang tapi nggak
The
ada.
python snake is like
Ular. Ih.
the python snake is in front and a little ways off to the left, 51 feet away. There are no animals worth noting around you.
Ada ular.
There are no animals worth noting around you. There are no animals worth.
Nggak ketemu sama beruangnya.
There are no animals.
Jarang ada di sini. Ntar kecilin dikit lah musiknya. Nah,
There are no animals.
lari. Kalau ularnya bisa dimakan enak.
There are no. There are no. There are no animals. There are no animals worth noting around you. There are no animals worth noting around you. Near shallow water. There are no animals worth noting around you. There are no Middle Valley. There are no animals.
Misalnya di rumput-rumput kayak gini nih ada tuh beruang.
There are no 860. You are not tracking. You have just opened spear, shield, you sword. You have sword. There are no animals worth noting around you. Leave. There are
Jarang
no
kita
animals.
jumpa beruang di
There are no
sini.
animals Middle Valley. There are no animals worth noting.
Coba lihat ada nggak ya?
There are no animals. There are no animals. There are no animals worth noting around you. There are no. There are no animals worth noting around you. There are no animals worth noting around you. There are no animals.
Susah cari beruang di
There are no
sini.
animals worth noting around you. There are no animals. The coyote is slightly in front and a fair distance off the. The coyote is.
Aduh,
One dead coyote.
kenapa coyote yang saya jumpa?
There are no animals. There are no.
Udah lah, coyote tak bisa dimasak.
There are no animals. The coyote is.
Tuh, coyote lagi.
The coyote is slightly in front and a fair distance off to the right. 40. The coyote is slightly in front of the bear. What do you want that coyote? There are no animals. There are no animals. You're in the ocean. There are no animals worth noting around you.
Aduh.
4800. There is no one around. There are no animal middle valley. There are no
Yung kita jumpa coyote.
there are no animals worth noting around you.
Alamak,
There are no animals worth noting around you.
alamak.
There are no
Bukannya beruang.
there are no animals worth there are no animals worth noting around you. There are no animals there are no animals worth noting around you.
Dia beruang.
There are no animals worth
Muncul engkau.
there are no animals worth noting around you. 706. There are no animals worth noting there leave. There are no animals worth noting around you.
Muncul engkau.
There are no animals worth noting around. There are no
Wahai
animals.
beruang.
There are no animals worth noting. There are no animals worth noting around you. There are no animals worth noting around you. There are no animals worth noting around you. You have a sword on left hand and nothing on right hand. Current hand is left. There are no animals you are wearing holding a shield. There are no animals worth noting around you. There are no animals worth.
Malah tak ada jumpa animal.
There are no animals.
Aduh.
There are no 727. There are no animals worth. There are no.
Mana beruang ni?
There are no animals worth. The shallow stream. There are no animals worth noting around you. Near the shallow. There are no animals worth noting around. There are no animals worth noting around you. There are no animals worth noting around you. Near the southern hill.
Hah, malah ke sini kembali. Aduh, guys.
There are no animals near the southern hill. West. There are no left hand. 680.
Apalah. Nanti kalau saya ke hutan beruang,
You have just opened your bag. Please select what you want. Health hammock. Hammock.
saya akan buat video yang seterusnya. Cuma beruangnya tak terlalu banyak di sana juga. Mungkin di village tu ada beruang sama babi hutan. Di sini tuh jarang ada hewan makan. Selalunya saya makan ikan aja kadang-kadang. Kalau kamu orang mau cari beruang tuh di forest dia ada, cuma jarang. Ada tuh emang ada, cuma jarang. Jarang itu spawn. Usah beruang di forestnya itu. Kalau di STW dia spawn terus dia. Kalau di sini tuh agak susah dikit. Oke lah guys, kita end lepas saya tidur nih. Saya nak upload terus video ini. Jadi saya akan sisihkan link di description nanti. Jadi kalau ada kamu orang mau tahu apa-apa, komen aja di bawah video ini tentang game ini. Saya akan bawa kamu orang ke Bear Forest nanti. Dia ada di sekitar sini juga, Bear Forest tuh.
Left hand.
Southern Hill.
29 first. You have just opened your bag. Please select what you want. 19. You have just opened eatable empty wallet. You have eatable bear meat. You have 11. Eatable. 0 Left hand.
Kita akan membuat video kita jalan-jalan di Bear Forest. Mana lah tahu kita jumpa beruang kan. Aduh,
1:20 p.m.
Mr. Beruang. Oke lah, sekadar di sini dulu saya punya video untuk part 1. Kita tahu mungkin kalau ada part 2 pun bagus juga kan, live in nature nih. Dan semoga kalian suka dengan video ini.
Zumarapi came online.
Dan jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share video-video saya yang sebelumnya.
Obster.
Oke lah,
Mix/ocean.
itu saja saya punya tutorial. Oke lah guys, bye. Kita akhir di sini ya.
Checked. property. Volume. Mute test property. Sources window. Visibility controls with studio mode of configure. Start virtual camera. Stop recording button. Stop record. No. Yes button.